Well, guys, it doesn't seem like things are looking the greatest for attorney Shapiro and his client Jay-Z. If you guys are unaware, Jay-Z was recently accused of SA. In fact, he was tied to Diddy, and the accuser said that she was actually SA by Jay-Z when he was with Diddy. Now, Jay-Z has denied these claims, but unfortunately, his attorney did not or was not able to overcome the small victory. In fact, the judge ruled against what Jay-Z and his attorney was recommending. And guys, before we jump deep into this video, I do need to make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button and also make sure you share the video. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, this will be an awesome opportunity for you to do so.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Name, at least for the time being. A judge in New York now says the woman can remain anonymous because to substantial interest from the public, and that's the reason here. However, she may need to reveal her identity at a later date to allow defense lawyers to prepare for trial. Meanwhile, Combs, currently in jail awaiting a trial on federal sex trafficking charges, denies the claims. Jay-Z says the accuser is trying to blackmail him.
Well, all of this information is absolutely terrible for the image that Jay-Z was trying to portray. If you guys recall, Jay-Z, his attorney Shapiro, and Tony Busby have been at it back and forth, back and forth. In fact, Jay-Z allegedly filed a suit against Tony Busby because Jay-Z is saying that Tony Busby is trying to shake him down and trying to extort money from him. But of course, Tony Busby is pretty much saying he's just representing his client. And what Jay-Z's attorney was trying to do, he was actually trying to do two things. One of the things that Jay-Z's attorney was trying to do was to get this abuser or alleged abused person who is saying that she was SA'd. He's trying to get her to reveal her identity. But unfortunately, the judge ruled against it. And in fact, the judge said that she can proceed anonymous for now. Now, another thing that Jay-Z and his attorney was hoping for is to get this lawsuit dropped. And unfortunately, the judge did not budge. And in fact, this is what the judge had to say. In fact, the judge is allowing the lawsuit to proceed without the immediate requirement for the plaintiff, which is the Jane Doe, to actually disclose her identity. The judge also cited concerns for the plaintiff's well-being. So the judge is feeling compassion for the young lady that is saying that she was SA'd. The judge also emphasized that she is particularly vulnerable to the possibility of being harmed, and this could arise from her name being exposed. The judge also noted that she continues to suffer from depression and post-traumatic stress disorder, including a seizure disorder that is linked to stress of her alleged SA. Now, the judge also responded very critically to attorney Alex Shapiro, which is Jay-Z's attorney, with regards to his legal maneuver. Now, with regards to the legal maneuvers, as I previously stated, Jay-Z's attorney wanted to expedite this. He wanted to move this case pretty fast, but the judge firmly stated the court will not fast track the judicial process merely because Jay-Z's counsel demands it. In fact, she said this kind of effort underscores the court's commitment to a thorough examination of the proceedings rather than yielding pressure for a swift resolution. And to break it down any further, or to just use the term for the people in the back, what the judge has pretty much stated is, we are not going for it. We are not expediting anything for the sake of Jay-Z. We're going to let this case proceed as any case would in court. Additionally, the judge is saying for Jay-Z's attorney, Shapiro, to knock it off, because if you guys have followed this case, you have saw a continual going back and forth with Tony Buzbee and Jay-Z's attorney. Now, Tony Buzbee is simply saying he is presenting a client that has come to him and said, Jay-Z was involved in an SA event. Now, there are a lot of things about her story that does not add up, and Jay-Z has a right to basically, peel back the layers of the story, because, if he says he didn't do it, then I guess that's what he would do in his defense. But what attorney Buzbee is saying, that based on when this happened and her age, that it could be that she just doesn't remember. And frankly, although the judge has not made a ruling, and keep in mind, guys, this is a civil case in which this lady is trying to seek monetary damages from Jay-Z. This is not a criminal case. Well, not as of yet, as we have saw with the Diddy case. Originally, Diddy was sued first. He settled out of court and the feds picked it up, and now Diddy is in jail. So what it seems like, Jay-Z is trying to prevent a Diddy situation, because, hey, we have heard the term, you're definitely guilty by association. So frankly, the judge, the judge has not ruled, but the judge is not buying it. And the judge is saying, we are going to let this case proceed normally. We're not expediting anything. We are not going to reveal this lady's name. However, at some point, we will need to reveal her name, because, of course, Jay-Z's attorneys would need to do their background investigation on her. But the judge is saying, at this juncture, we're not going to do that. We're not going to open this lady up to harm, to criticism, to nasty messages. And frankly, the judge is saying this woman has already suffered numerous illnesses, and we're not going to do that. Now, she has not ruled. Jay-Z has denied everything. He said he didn't do it. Again, the lady is saying, the Jane Doe, because we don't know her name, she's saying that she was essayed not only by Jay-Z, but also by Diddy. And guys, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video with someone else. And if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, this would be your opportunity to do so. And please, I want to know your thoughts in the comments. Hi, and I am so glad that you guys are here. Let me tell you this, I started YouTube roughly 1 year ago, and you know what I did? I struggled like hell to figure it out. But thankful, I was diligent and able to monetize in under 90 days. So what I want to do is I want to show you guys exactly how I did it. So what I did is I sat down and I created a course to help you guys become successful on YouTube. When I first started, I struggled. I did not know what to do. And I'm going to tell you why I decided to create this course. When I started YouTube, this is what I said. I said that if I did not make money in at least 60 days, I was done. And guess what I did? I did just that. And my first official check for 30 days on YouTube was roughly $7,000. Now, I know some of y'all is like, that's no money. And in all actuality, it ain't a lot of money, but it's not a little money, especially from somebody that was coming to a social media platform such as YouTube that I didn't really know what I was doing, but I was able to figure it out to be able to make an income of $7,000. So what I said is, I see some of the smaller YouTubers struggling. So what I want to do is show you guys what I did to become successful. So what I did is I created a course to teach you guys the basics. Now, this will not be the only course, but this will be the first course in which I will teach you guys how to get monetized very fast. So all you need to do right now is go ahead and click on the link, because we are running a special, or I am running a special, because I want to make sure you guys get monetized. Because listen, it is the holidays, it is becoming a new year soon, and y'all need to get y'all some more income, okay?